So ito ang aming front display. So pagpasok, nandito yung bargain pillow, S-rack, at dito sa kabilang side, sa left side yung straight rack, at sa likod yung 5-layer rack. Nandito naman yung sublimation wall, TTF. Kabila yung glass tower, umbrella rack, and yung bestseller. Hot deals, updated na yung sa parody, gift ideas, design it yourself. Nandito naman yung power table, bagong update na visual, jacket, special polo, workwear, at nandun yung mga Trackstar sublimation. So, dito yung kiosk at cabinet, statement shirts, active sports, embroidery, at cake mug riser, updated, stock room. Okay naman po.
Ang cherry.